Alright, so here's a tip. I'm drawing this Typhoon class submarine. One thing to do when you're drawing lines is hold the pencil like this and just glide across the paper. Here we're drawing the background. Get a little closer shot. And what you want to do is just take the pencil, hold it like this, okay? Rest the back of the pencil right here and just glide across the sheet. Should look something like that. Use very light, even strokes. And what you'll do is you'll make just small lines in the back of the paper and then darken a little bit if you need to. That'll give you some contrast. We're just making a background right now. Just kind of filling in the paper. That way it doesn't look too empty in the back. Go ahead and zoom out. So same thing in the bottom. Hold the pencil like this. Okay, rest it kind of like the center of your palm. Okay, come back, just kind of hold it in the bottom just like that, and just kind of glide across the paper. Nice even strokes. Kind of apply a little bit of pressure when you need to, and that'll help fill in the back, kind of like the background if you're drawing. Okay, just finishing up on this Typhoon class submarine. I think a couple people have already requested this submarine, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Kind of show a little bit of a technique as well. And that's that. Enjoy.